What is up, Underground Nation? Ghost here with a video this time. Actually, one of the original videos that we're doing on this channel. So, I am doing a retrospective on my Evo and having it for 1 month. So, this is a car that I've had for a while now. Gotten to learn the old stick here. Got to learn that, which is pretty awesome. And as far as that, I just wanted to go ahead and go over some of the things I noticed with this car that you may have not noticed about an Evo before you get one. One of which is these seats. These seats are so comfortable in this car. They are amazing. They are so comfortable for being race seats. Like, I am not joking. These seats are like good seats. They're Recaros, obviously, so but they're not like too over squeezing, and not even that, but like they're just comfortable. They're honestly some of the best seats I've had. So let's go ahead and get out of here real quick, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the other thing I noticed as well. So we're gonna open the door here, and then I'll go ahead. Alright, so here we have the Rockford Frost gates. These speakers are so good. They're amazing. The speakers in this bump, and overall they're just amazing. So they're pretty awesome as far as that. And they bump, like the subwoofers in the back, they bump so hard. Also, we got the stickers on finally. And one of the things that I said I was going to do was fix the tint. The tint is now fixed, so there's that. Of course, that's a good thing there, because before I couldn't even see on the back. And also there's 20% on the back. And then if we go around to the front here, we can go ahead and see these top strip there, which is pretty awesome. And as far as that, I fixed my headlight from the last time, whenever you guys probably saw it, which is pretty cool. Overall, the only thing I have to do now is fix the hood scoop and the spoiler on the back. Spoiler's still looking not the best. So this is right here. I'm sure you can kind of see like already kind of how it looks. It is horrendous. You can't see probably the best on camera, but it is bad. It is so bad. Like, you can tell here that it's darker, it goes to lighter because the clear coat just got eaten away. But overall, it needs a bath right now. But yeah, as far as that, I wanted to talk about how it handles as well. So I figured out that honestly, also, one of my lug nuts are actually cross-threaded, so that's awesome. That is amazing. And then also, the inky wheels are amazing. As far as that, not sarcastic there at all. Honestly, they're really good wheels. I did also notice on this wheel that one of my threads is gone. So if you look in there, there is no thread for a lug nut. So I'm running 4 lug nuts on some of my wheels, which is amazing. But the handling is top notch, amazing. The handling on this, it's so nice to have a car that turns on a dime. That is not like, that's not really considered a, supercar. This car honestly feels so much better to drive than the G. It is actually insane. And honestly, the looks of it are amazing. I've wanted this car for years, and overall, it's just been a dream. The other thing I noticed as well is the actual turbo sound. We're gonna go ahead and in here. The turbo sound it goes whoosh, whoosh. And I'm sure you guys also noticed this is carbon fiber right here, which is weird because nowhere else in the car is carbon fiber except for there, which is super strange. We're gonna go ahead and do this right here. But yeah, as far as that, the actual people complain about the interior of these cars, and it's not the best, but you're not buying this car for interior quality. You're buying it for the fact that it's a really good car. And honestly, like this scene business right here, where I can do like this right here, it is spot on. Like, and there's actually a couple of rows in here, which is nice. So that opens and everything. The other thing I was gonna say as well with this that I have not experienced with it, but we're gonna kind of turn it on here real quick. I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm gonna turn on the speakers a little bit because it's probably gonna try to change that. If there is no audio, that is why it's the speakers. But as far as that, yeah. But let's go ahead and turn that off. Actually, I'll just do that. There it's off. Alright, so as far as this, I want to go ahead and show you guys how it sounds whenever I drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prop my phone probably up somewhere. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, here is the POV right here, guys. Let's go ahead and get this going here. I'm going to go up the street and I'm going to come back around. best at driving manual yet, but we're getting there. So. Hope you guys can hear this because it sounds mighty. Turn right here, guys. Oh, there's a bug. You can hear the burbling too. This car burbles like crazy. It's actually insane how much this car burbles. I was just chilling and driving. Open the window a little bit so you guys can hear a little bit. It also rides surprisingly well for having Fortune coilovers on it, or actually just coilovers in general. But they're Fortune 500 coilovers, which is insanely good. And honestly, I love this car so much. It's been a month and it's just been nothing but amazingness. We're coming back into my subdivision right now. So, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get in here real quick. And then I will stop the video whenever we get to a stop here real quick. But yeah, as I'm driving this, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow the Underground YouTube channel and our Instagram for more content with the group and everyone. I'm shifting away from my YouTube channel to this one, so you might see some uploads from my old channel where I'm saying Ghost. But yeah, as far as that's what we're going to be going towards now, is just Underground. So if you guys did enjoy, again, do the things that help us grow. And it is very much appreciated, because we're trying to make this car club something that accepts a lot of people, and honestly trying to be the more of a chill one, not really picky. Of course, if you do something wrong, you know, it's gonna happen, but we're trying to be more accepting of everyone, you know, as long as as long as you're not a bad person, I guess you'd say, or not even that, but just like you start drama. That's not a good thing for the group. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out, my friends.